Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Holiday Glam. If you're new, welcome. You guys, in today's video, I'm going to be getting into the Dominique Cosmetic, and this is the Unconditional palette. I am so excited to play in this palette, do a nice little holiday look for you guys. So if you love makeup just as much as I do, then please continue watching this video. All right, you guys, so I already completed most of the steps before I do eyeshadow. And so, yeah, so I already went through all the steps already of doing my makeup. All of my complexion products and eyebrow products I use, I will link them down below in the description bar. But yes, I did skip those steps just so that I can get right into the palette. I'm excited to use the palette, so excited. So we're going to get into the palette. I think I've said this probably a gazillion times on my channel, but I really love Dominique Cosmetics. It really is one of the best products like that I use. It really is. And I'm not just saying that because I like it. That's the reason that I like it, is because it really has really good eyeshadow products, lip products. And I think for me, my favorite is the eyeshadow product. This color is called Jaden. This one is in Eternal and Corazon and Love and Light. And let me lift it up. This color is Love and Light. This one is Warm Hearted. And this one is Soul. So I'm going to try to get into all the colors. I believe I can get into all these colors. I think I'm going to start with Corazon. Now, I'm starting to think, do I want to go in with the entire colors? I don't know. And I'm not going to go in with a whole lot of it because I want to go into Warm Hearted. As I start to build this color up, Warm Hearted, it starts to look a little more pink. Look at it. And that's kind of odd because it looks more like neutral and like a nude color, I should say. It looks more nude. Okay, now I'm going into Jaden, and I'm going to just tap lightly into that one because that is a deeper tone color. I just really want this to kind of like be on the outside. Bring it up and around. Very pretty. A chai tea break. Alright guys, I had to clamp the hair back. It's getting next to the shadow. Okay, so I'm going to be using the E30 brush just to kind of like get Warm Hearted under the eye here. I love this brush because it just gets right there. It's a pencil brush. And it just gets in those smaller areas, and it's fluffy, it's soft. It's not like dragging on your eye or anything. That's what I love about this brush. Okay, so maybe I could go in with Jaden. See, because I already blended out Warm Hearted, and now I'm taking this Morphe, like flat tip brush, and then just like putting it right under the lash line. It just looks like I blended it out, kind of like. It looks really pretty. Let's see how Eternal goes on by itself with the brush, but it looks very like chunky. So I'm assuming it will probably kind of break up around. Ooh, it's not breaking up. This is so pretty. This is definitely a holiday color. Definitely. I want to do a cat eye, but I'm like, will the liner do it justice? Or will I just like it is? I don't know if it's because I'm doing this very carefully, and I really am, but it is not, like dropping on my face, but I think I'm being really careful. So that's probably why, but the fact that it still hasn't is everything. Okay, I don't even know all the words to the song anyway, but I love that album. Her album is definitely relatable. I think that's why she at the top of the charts with it, because it's a relatable song. Every woman and even guys can relate to, you know, the dilly dilly on that album. All right, guys. So I have on the Over the Moon Lashes by Rokael Beauty. So, ooh, these are going to be like my favorite dramatic lashes, honey. I will wear them like 2 more times before I dump them, and then I will let them back into my life again, okay? So it's time to make another purchase, okay? Anyway, you guys, let's get into the lip products. So this one here is the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner in the color Crush. I like it, but it's a little bit too sheer for me, so I'm going to go in with her lip liner in the color Brown Sugar. I like the way that it's shaped too. It goes like for the line of your lip. I love that. I don't know, I think that it's not giving. It's not giving. Right, got to kind of outline the lips pretty good for both colors. It's just not as brown as I like it to be. But let's try out this one. This one is the color Dolce. And again, these are the cream matte liquid lips. And on the side, it says, "Speak beautiful things." I love when she does that to the packaging. You also, it's also inside too, like all the sayings and stuff are inside of the packaging too. I like that. It's cute. I didn't know that was like, I didn't know that that was like where you can go in. It's kind of cool. One is Crush. So we're going to go with Crush first because it'll be like more of a deeper tone. As you can see. Ooh, do I just want to keep it like this? I actually like this. Sorry, Dolce. But we can just like put it maybe in the middle. But I'll just like try. Oh, this one seems super, ooh, cute. That one's cute too. Maybe we could do a little bit in the middle. I like this color because it kind of gives me more of a poochy look, and plus with the liner it really accentuates. And yeah, I'm loving it. Okay, so you guys, the last steps that I need to do is highlighter and finishing spray. So let's just get into it. I have these Dominique Cosmetics. These are the skin glosses. This is in Sunset Glow. I have another color too. This one is in Gloss Peach. So I am trying to figure out, these are so quality though. So I'm just trying to think, which one do I see? I think it's going to be the darker one. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with the darker one. So this one is Sunset Glow. So I am going to just pat it into the skin and watch it glow. And I don't want a big heavy sheen. That's why I really do think that this one will go really great. Because you're just patting it in. Ooh, so cute. It's so pretty. And then you can just kind of layer it up because it is a gloss, skin gloss. Ooh. Can you deny this little cute palette? Is so cute. I love the transition colors. You can just pop it right in the bag. It's that small. I love it. And I really did love the cream matte lip. It was so good. And I was on the fence about the Crush lip liner at first. You guys saw that. I don't know. I thought at first like, oh my God, this is not matching. It doesn't look right, but then it really did come out really well. I'm so excited. This is my lip combo. Like, this is me. I love this look. And when I finally applied the matte lip, that's when it kind of like all came together, and I felt like, okay, the look is complete. And I'm pretty much done, you guys. If you guys are feeling the look as much as I am, please hit the like button, thumbs up the video, and show your girls some love. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.